everybody! Hi
It's
everyone!
us again. Because it's our channel.
Yes, of course. And today, yung video na to ay hindi magiging pareho sa ibang videos na ina-upload namin because yung video na to i-upload namin siya every Sunday. And
We're gonna call this
7-Minute Sundays!
so yes, 7-minute video lang siya
about what?
about random topics.
Random topics that could be found in this box.
Yes. So, yung mga topics na yon, pwede namin siyang, or dito namin siya itatakle for,
Only 7 minutes.
yes.
That's why it's called
7-Minute Sundays!
And the reason why it's 7 minutes is because it's not too short and it's not too long and it's random and it's my favorite number.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so we each, it's just a continuation. It's kind of just a conversation that you guys will be in on. Yeah, so shall we start?
Yes. So, sa video na pala to guys, sorry ha. Kung may topic man kami, you're also very welcome to comment or
True. Answer niyo yung mga questions na tatanong din namin kasi baka it's gonna help you. But anyways, okay, let's go.
Okay. So, sa box na yon, pipili si Kim ng isang topic
That
pero
we haven't
hindi
seen.
namin alam.
Okay.
List lang siya ng mga topics.
That we also did not create ourselves.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hindi galing sa amin.
Okay, let me just... I promise, we don't know. Think of your favorite childhood TV show of all time.
So, ang tanong, ano ang favorite childhood TV show of all time? Okay.
So the 7-minute mark will start in 10 seconds. And the question is, what's your childhood favorite TV show? Ready? 5, 3, 2, 1, go. Ikaw.
Okay, ako siguro childhood favorite TV show ko dati was Siniskwela and Annie na andun sa Cartoon Network.
Siniskwela nasa Cartoon Network?
No, Siniskwela and any of the shows sa Cartoon Network.
Okay, fair. Which is what? Lahat?
Halos lahat.
Okay. Favorite ko dati is SpongeBob. And to this day, I still like SpongeBob. Na-remember ko lang na lagi ko siyang pinapanood during weekends. Kasi may parang back to back na episodes sa Nickelodeon. And nung bata pala ako, I grew up in the Philippines. Not really grew up. I moved very young, like under 10 years old. And so most of my childhood was in the Philippines, pero I never remembered watching any Tagalog shows. So,
Right. Yeah. Well, sa case ko naman, kasi nga sa Pilipinas ako galing, yung Siniskwela, ewan ko, patok na patok yan sa mga 90s na mga bata. And super fun lang kasi at the same time, you're also learning. And then, ewan ko, super fun lang siya panoorin. At yung mga ibang pambata pa na mga na mga TV shows. Kayo guys, anong favorite niyo?
Nung si ate dati nanonood din. Yung kapatid ko, nanonood siya ng Princess Sarah.
Oh,
Yun ba yun?
yeah.
Yung may Miss Minchin?
Yes.
Yan, nanonood siya nun dati. Tapos, meron din, dati naaalala ko din may F4. Nanonood din kami ng F4.
Oh my God, yes, of course, F4. Iniyakan ko ang F4, guys.
Tapos, may Kim Samsun. I really liked Kim Samsun. At saka yung, ano ba yun? Yung isa pang nasa GMA, yung Stairs to Heaven ba yun? Stairway to Heaven?
Hindi ko alam.
Basta yun. Yung si Regine yung nagkanta ng
Hindi ko maalala.
Hindi mo alam?
Hindi ko maalala.
Ah, hindi pala! Full House pala yun.
Full House. Oo, Full House. Magaling din yun. Maganda din yun.
Maganda ang Full House. Yeah.
Oo. Yung mga ano din, meron ding ano dun dati, yung Matinik, yung Hiraya Manawari. Alam ko, oo.
Educational.
Oo, pero...
Matanglawin is educational.
Matanglawin, oo.
Hi,
So,
Kuya Kim, if you're watching. Bakit? Malay nyo naman, di ba? Pag mag-hire siya sa comments, magugulat na lang tayong lahat. Yeah.
But, yeah, yes guys. Yun.
Bakit mo nagustuhan yung mga educational shows?
Alam mo, nung bata pa ako, syempre hindi mo naman alam na pang educational churba pala yun. Naaliw ka lang sa mga batang andon, pero hindi mo alam, like sa memory ko, hindi ko alam na may natututunan pala ako dito. Pero tumatatak pa rin siya nung parang lumalaki ka na.
Actually, natatandaan ko dati, mga gusto kong shows, yung mga nakakatawa. It's kind of crazy kasi I'm like trying to think of it now, like, do kids even know what humor is? But I guess so, because when I was a kid, I really liked, mga
Si Kim
funny.
guys, nakakatawa.
Yung mga Ang TV, oh my God. Ang TV ba yun? Yung 4 p.m. na, Ang TV na. Siguro nga Ang TV yun.
Ang TV.
Pero I like that before kasi may mga jokes. Bubble Gang.
Bubble gang, oo, totoo.
But sometimes it's inappropriate. But, yung mga songs dati ni Michael V. na mga parody na songs, oh my gosh, I love them. And then, basta gusto ko yung mga nakakatawa, which is why I really liked SpongeBob. Kasi it's very humorous. And there was also Fairly Odd Parents. Oh, Very Odd Parents. And Lizzie McGuire. Did you watch that?
I do, yeah, I did.
Oh, yeah, that was my sister and I's favorite. And also, That's So Raven.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Disney.
Totoo. Pero nung when I was older, I started enjoying like Tawag ng Tanghalan on Showtime. And then even yung tumatawag si ate, tingnan mo. Hi, bakit sa tumatawag? Anyways, gusto ko yung Tawag ng Tanghalan, tapos gusto ko din Eat Bulaga, lalo na yung nakakatawa. Pero nag-stop na ako ng Eat Bulaga kasi I don't want to pay for a subscription.
Oo, nung andito na.
Yeah. Pero ngayon, yung mga na lang, mga Netflix shows. Kasi marami na sila talagang sa Netflix.
Kung ano-ano na, oo.
Totoo.
But, yeah, yun yung topic namin for today.
Yeah.
For this Sunday.
What is it?
Your
favorite TV show?
Favorite na TV
show of all time.
Childhood
TV show. Yeah. Kayo?
Anong favorite niyo?
Yeah.
Yep.
Hindi
So,
ko naanuhan yung yung Dora the Explorer, yung mga ganun. Hindi ko siya nagustuhan.
yeah, pero may napapanood din naman ako.
What's your favorite TV show?
Guys, naalala niyo ba yung
I watched that too!
Art Attack! Oh, yes.
I
Oh
don't
my
know.
God. Art Attack ba yun? Yeah,
Hindi ko
Art
alam.
Attack. Oo, something.
Pero I also enjoyed yung mga art na mga shows. Oh, that was so good.
Art Attack, Blue's Clues, yun.
Blue's Clues?
Blue's Clues.
Blue's Clues. Si Steve. Steve is Filipino now.
Ganon.
You guys know that? Steve is Filipino. Now. Not the past one. Yeah.
Yeah, so kayo guys, anong favorite TV
True.
show nyo
What's
nung
your favorite
kabataan
TV
kayo?
show? We would like to know.
Yep. And that's it for
That's it for this week's
7 Minute Sundays.
7 Minute Sundays. Yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this, even though it's kind of new and it has no value whatsoever. Pero it's also very fun to look back of like on the things that we used to enjoy.
Yep. So, yung mga topics namin dito guys, yes, hindi namin gawa to, random lang. And, tama si Kim, ito yung isa sa mga paraan namin na makilala nyo din kami.
Totoo.
Yes.
So, I hope that you guys like this. And if you don't, let us know also. We will change it up or do something. Pero we like it. We like talking. And para naman may random question din kayo for your life that you can reflect on. And then also put it in the comments.
Yep.
Yeah, so question is, what's your favorite TV show as a child?
Childhood TV show, yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Bye.